Look who got a ladder. Look who got a ladder. Look who got a ladder. I wonder who it's from. Oh man, what's going on guys? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, I'm getting another artwork from Ponyboy just to match up with the 1998 Mach 1. I've been waiting for this for probably a couple weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks or something like that, and I'm honestly extremely excited. You see, I already got the picture frame for it right here, right next to the Mach 1. So this is my first impressions on it and looking at it and everything. So everybody said they like it. I haven't seen it yet, so let's take a look at it now. And real quick guys, if y'all do me a favor, follow MRA Ponyboy on Instagram. Check out his drawings and check out his Mustang. He got a nice GT, looks extremely nice. If I had that model, I would want it white, but everything else that he done to it, it's nice. So this is it, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all basically see it first, if I can get it open. Hang on. Is it this way? Yeah, it's this way. So that was a fail. There you go. There you go. Now let me see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is really nice. Look at that. Wow. Like, he really... It looks so nice. It even got the Mach 1 wheels on there. Look at that. That's so impressive. Yeah, I'm framing this now. Like, right now. Yes, in case you're wondering, that is a bullet wheel that I just have right there sitting there. I got it for free, so, you know, might as well have it as decoration. It's pretty mint. So, that's pretty good right there, right? Should be good. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Let's go ahead and put it up. It's a little off, but I'm gonna fix it later. I'm just excited to see it on the wall. Oh yeah, this is nice. I definitely love it. This is, oh yeah. Please follow him. This is Instagram again, right here. If y'all want to follow him. And it takes a lot to do all that, and that's a lot of detail if y'all can't see. Like, come on, that's a lot of talent. So please do me a favor, follow him. Ponyboy, I really do appreciate it. This is very nice, and it's a nice touch to my somewhat of a setup right now. I'm still trying to work with that since we just moved in, but I mean, come on. Next couple videos I'm probably gonna do maybe the 5 likes and the 5 dislikes about both of these cars. Why not? Might do a sound clip for them. I don't know, just a bunch of random stuff. I'm trying to get more content out there for you guys because I want to have more, you know, more content. I'm starting to have a little bit more free time and my schedule is starting to line up right. So as long as everything is going to plan, I should be able to upload regularly. Not sure what days yet, but I'm just trying to get videos out there for you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notified for when my next video come out, because I know y'all want to see the drag strip video because I want to see it. So make sure subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications. Like this video, comment maybe whatever you want to see. This is just a quick little video to show this and talk about updates. So hopefully I can bring it out to y'all guys. But thank you again, Pony Boy. Bye guys. That's gonna be it for this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one, okay?